Hi, I'm Dr. Ruchira. Welcome to VacMed YouTube channel and VacMed Internationals. Do you need to know how to assess heart murmurs in a way of their intensity? Well, there are 6 grades, grade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Grade 1 is very soft murmur. Grade 1 is very soft, audible only in ideal conditions. Grade 2 is soft, grade 3 is moderate. Grade 4 is loud with associated trills. Grade 5 is very loud. Grade 6 is heard without the stethoscope. And for your special attention, diastolic murmurs are very rarely above grade 4.